going to show you how to install the catalytic converter. First of all, you have to lift the catalytic converter and put it in place. Make sure that you align the catalytic converter back into the exhaust system, and you have to make sure that the alignment with the turbo is also correct. Now, before starting to tighten the bolts, line up the flanges and insert the bolts, and don't tighten them hard. You can use the hand first, and then you can you can thread them by hand, and then you can start to tighten them thereafter. As you can see what I'm doing in the video, I'm tightening the bolts now. There are some bolts on both sides, both on the upper side and the lower side. After tightening the bolts and making sure that everything is in place, then you connect the oxygen sensors and the electrical cables in place as well.
Yeah. Yeah.